Hi guys, I'm Leo and I'm here at North Shore Kia. I'm part of the North Shore Kia sales team. Just arrived, look, just arrived now the new 2020 Kia Soul. The truck just dropped off here and I'm here just to unbox the car for you. Actually, we still have the stickers, the wheel covers. I'll take this out now. Look, nice and clean. Alloy wheels. Let's take the stickers. Later on I'll put the car to do the inspection, the PDI, pre-delivery inspections, but let's show here. First look. The new grille. This is the sensors and the radar for autonomous emergency braking. In this car you have heads-up display. First look, you guys are privileged. Please don't follow me, let me take all the stickers off and then go over the car, inside the car, and show the car. Look the new quality. The leather seats, heat and cooling seat, 10.25 inch screen. Let me go over the other side. Let me just start the car quickly to show. Look the screen. Isn't it a TV? Look the sound system. Heat and cooling seats in the front, heated steering wheel, different drive modes. Tom, please show me here the heads-up display. Look, that's amazing. If you wanna drive and see all the informations by the navigation, blind spot detection, lane depart, lane keep assist, you can see from here in your heads-up display, or just turn it off. Sunroof. Let's put in the shop. Let's take all the plastic over. Let's take off and let's do the pre-delivery inspection and let's go for a test drive. Bye guys, see you in a bit.